The secret to perfect chicken has been revealed, and everyone wants to try it. Here we have 2 chicken breasts, and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. Once that's done, I'll transfer everything to a baking dish. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Brian Thompson from Melbourne. I'm really happy you're enjoying our recipes. Now in a bowl, I'll add 1 egg, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix until smooth. Now we'll pour the sauce over the chicken and stir it well to coat. You can serve it with your favorite sauce or even a fresh salad. Next, we'll add half a cup of flour, sifted, and mix it in thoroughly. Next, I'll take the chicken and add it to this pan with hot oil, in batches, and let it fry on both sides. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Try it at home and come back to tell me how it went. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. If you're a fan of breaded chicken, there's no better recipe to make. It's so easy to prepare, and you won't regret it. I'm flipping this one now. It's already golden brown. The result is chicken that's super crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Absolutely delicious. Now I'll remove it from the pan and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. If you want, you can sprinkle some parsley on top. It adds a special touch. Trust me. Tell me, what's your best chicken recipe? I'd love to know.